Alright, we moved spots already this morning. We have one behind us, probably 100 to 200 yards behind us. He kind of shut up this morning though, so we're just gonna hang tight and see what birds that we had coming our way seem to just follow the creek bed out of here. But they seem to be sitting put about 200 yards away from us. So we're gonna load the hens bed up here pretty soon and free up those toms and try to get them to work back up this way. So sit tight and let's see what happens. I see something dark.
Turkey, they are out on the field.
Are they?
Fuck it.
Look,
We should have just said.
I know. Fuck.
That's. Let me just. Let's just stay low enough to where that bush is.
See how many.
Just see how many birds are out.
Let's do that.
Just stay real low there.
It's a risky move, just.
We try to pop back behind these things. But if we get back to there, it's only 100 yards to that creek bottom. And then I think it's going to open up in there and then we'll be able to get some.
With the hard lines.
Alright, so we just go peek in there, see how open it is, see how easy it would be to get back in there.
Yeah, we can see that.
See what it looks like.
Yeah, let's do that. I feel like
Yeah.
that's the best bet because they're way out there.
Yeah, they're going to be like around the corner.
So if those toms are with them.
Yeah, I think should be up out of sight there.
Alright, yeah, let's do that. New spot. Straight ahead. And over here. I don't know if you guys can see, but we have the river. And then about, I don't know, 100, 150 yards that way is a field. And we saw the hen in the field. We didn't see any of the toms, but we're assuming they're with her. So hopefully they come back right there.
Alright, so we're hunting a private field right now. We just got permission. And on the neighbor's property, I saw at least 3 gobblers and about 4 hens. And they were about 75 yards up the hill here. But they don't seem to be responding, and I don't know where they went. I haven't seen them since I came and got permission. I didn't want to go back and potentially spook them. So, we're gonna sit here for a little bit. If nothing happens, we're gonna back out and come back tomorrow. up this edge, and I'm gonna see if I can find them up there. See if they're still there. Kind of a risky move, but we'll see what happens. As I was moving around with the camera, they walked out. Son of a gun. They didn't gobble once. Didn't even make a noise. Two of them came over the hill. Son of a gun. Let's go. There we go. That's a nice bird. Oh. So, I think I spooked the toms, unfortunately. But 4 dudes came over the hillside. And I absolutely smoked them. Oh. There we go. Let's go. Oh my gosh. Alright. Little background. This is my first year turkey hunting. This is my third sit. I really was hoping for a tom, but if I got started off with a jig, I am just as happy with that. There were 4 of them, 2 toms on this field, and I got permission to come back on Sunday as well if I didn't get one today. Man, let's go. I'm so pumped right now. Let's go. All right, we are back at the house. Sorry I did not film much. So we got them all breasted out. We got all the meat right here. It's very nice. We got our teeny tiny little beard. But hey, first turkey ever, so I'm not gonna complain. Got the fan, looks real nice. And I'm super pumped. It was a super cool hunt, and I definitely have found a new addiction. Turkey hunting is awesome. I would highly recommend, if you haven't done it before, to go try it. Get this meat all packaged up and go try some of it. Go cut up some breast, throw it in the frying pan. That's gonna do it for the first turkey hunt I've ever been on. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know I didn't get the birds coming in on film too well, but hey, it's the first ever turkey hunt. I've tried to film, and honestly, they came in so quick in a spot I wasn't expecting. I would rather shoot the bird than spook them trying to get the shot. So yeah, that's gonna do it for the first video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoy it, subscribe, like the video. I'm gonna have more turkey hunting videos to come, trout fishing videos, fishing all summer. We got deer hunting in the fall. So stay tuned. It's gonna be a great time here on Cheesehead Outdoors.